So whenever we have to convert from a positive sentence to negative sentence, we generally place not after the helping verbs. We will put not after the helping verb. You can look in the first sentence, he is tall. What is helping verb is? So after the helping verb we will place not. So what will be negative sentence? He is not tall. Second one is we are busy. Again you can see helping verb are is there, then after the helping verb we will place not. So we are busy. What is the negative sentence of this sentence? We are not busy. Again in similarly, I am hungry, then I am not hungry. Rakesh was absent. Rakesh was not absent. Sorry, Rakesh was absent in the class yesterday. Rakesh was not absent in the class yesterday. You were sad. You were not sad. You can see in all these sentences the helping verbs are there. Is, am, are, is, are, am, was and were are used. You can see the helping verbs. And what is the rule for changing from positive to negative? We will place not after the helping verb. So you can see in the negative sentences not is placed after the helping verb. Here also is helping verb, not is placed. Here after are, here after am, here after was, here after were, not is placed. So this one is the first rule for whenever we have to convert from a positive sentence to negative one. We will simply add not after the helping verbs is, am, are, was, were. Now look at a exercise. Change the following positive sentences into their negative forms. We are very happy today. What is helping verb in this sentence? Are is helping verb. So where not is placed? After are. So what will be the answer of first sentence? We are not very happy today. One sentence I have done. 2, 3, 4, 5 you all have to do in your book as your homework. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you have to do in homework. Now when a verb is made up of two words, we place not between these two words. Listen, this is the first rule which you have read in this page, on this page, and the second rule is whenever a verb is made up of two words. Verb is made up of two words. What is the sense? That means a sentence has verb also as well as helping verb also. Whenever a sentence has a verb also and helping verb also, in that case we place not between these two words. In that case, where we will place not? In between these two verbs. Whenever a sentence has verb also as well as a helping verb also, then not is placed between verb and helping verb. Read the following examples. The bird is flying. You can see a helping verb. This is helping verb here in this sentence, and flying is the main verb. Flying is the main verb in a sentence. So what is the rule? That whenever a verb is made up of two words, means a sentence has main verb also and helping verb also, the not is placed between them. The bird is flying. So what will be negative sentence of that sentence? The bird is not flying. Second example is the child was crying. Again you can see was is helping verb and crying is main verb. So not is placed between these two words. So the answer will be the child was not crying. Next one, he has gone to school. Again you can see has is helping verb, gone is main verb. Not is placed between has and gone. He has not gone to school. They were playing in the field. They were not playing in the field. In this sentence also, were is helping verb, playing is main verb. Not is placed between the two words. They were not playing in the field. Now look, B exercise. Change the following sentences into negative forms. First sentence is the teacher was teaching the lesson. You can again see was is helping verb and teaching is main verb. In the second rule, what I have taught to you in second rule, that whenever a sentence has two verbs, that means a sentence has a helping verb also and a main verb also, then not is placed between the two verbs. What will be answer of the first sentence? The teacher was not teaching her lesson. The teacher was not teaching her lesson. Now second sentence, third sentence, fourth, fifth and sixth, you have to do it yourself in homework. Okay. Now we use no in some negative sentences. The sentences that have verbs has, have or had plus a or an or some, we drop a, an or some and add no after the verb to make them negative. What is the third rule for converting positive into negative? We use no in some sentences. When we have to convert positive sentence into negative sentence, then in some cases we use no also in some negative sentences. Where we will use no, that I will teach you. The sentences that have verbs has, have, had. Some sentences have verbs has, have, had. Okay, in some sentences those who are having the verbs has, have, had plus a or an or some, in that in those sentences we will drop a or an, and we will drop a, an or some, and we will add no after the verb to make them negative. I will teach you with the example. Just look at